Sometimes people come to me and say, I want to start a company. And I say, why? They say, oh, I want to make lots of money. I say, forget it. Because focusing doesn't mean saying yes, it means saying no. So we decide not to do a lot of things so we can focus on a few handfuls.
You've got to start with the customer experience and work backwards to the technology. You can't start with the technology and try to figure out where you're going to try to sell it. And as we have tried to come up with a strategy and a vision for Apple, it started with what incredible benefits can we give to the customer? Where can we take the customer? Not starting with, let's sit down with the engineers and figure out what awesome technology we have and then how are we going to market that. And I think that's the right path to take. I remember with the LaserWriter, we built the world's first small laser printers, you know. And there was awesome technology in that box. We had the first Canon cheap laser printing engine in the world, in the United States here at Apple. We had a very wonderful printer controller that we designed.
To lots of people. It becomes self-policing as to who they let into that group. So I consider the most important job
same. And I see business that way too. It's really always a team.
You have to have an extraordinary team because these are you're trying to climb a mountain with a whole party of people. A lot of stuff to bring up the mountain.
They want to be excited about what they're working on. And they want to be recognized for it if they do a really great job. So we just try to allow people to do the best work of their lives.
there needs to be someone who is sort of the keeper and reiterator of the vision.
You are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. No one wants to die.